Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle selection in Photoshop. First, open your desired image in Photoshop. Locate the marquee tool in the toolbar, which usually looks like a dashed rectangle. Click and hold this icon to reveal a fly-out menu with additional selection tools. We will be focusing on the elliptical marquee tool for our circular selections. This is the foundational step to isolating round objects or areas in your projects. Once you've selected the elliptical marquee tool, simply click and drag your mouse across the canvas. As you drag, you'll see an elliptical selection forming. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle yet. We'll refine that in the next step. The marching ants outline will show you the active selection area. This initial drag sets the approximate size and position of your desired circular region. To create a perfectly symmetrical circle, hold down the Shift key while you drag with the elliptical marquee tool. This constrains the proportions to a 1-to-1 ratio. If you want to draw the circle from its center point, hold down the Alt key or Option on a Mac while dragging. For a perfect circle drawn from its center, hold both Shift and Alt or Option simultaneously. This gives you precise control over your circular selection. After making your initial selection, you can fine-tune its position. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the selection 1 pixel at a time for precise placement. For more advanced adjustments like feathering or smoothing edges, go to Select, then Select and Mask. This opens a dedicated workspace with many options. Finally, you can apply your selection to a new layer, create a layer mask, or fill it with a color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.